Did you know that the global hair salon industry is predicted to reach a staggering $190.81 billion by 2024? Quite the hefty number, isn't it? And quite a thrilling prospect for all the business-savvy minds out there. The saloon industry, folks, is more than just about haircuts and manicures. It's a flourishing field that's been gaining momentum at an impressive pace. The beauty of it all? It's a sector that thrives on one of the most enduring aspects of human nature: our desire to look and feel our best. In recent years, we've seen a growing interest in personal grooming and beauty trends. People are more invested than ever in their appearance and well-being, and this is something that extends beyond mere vanity. It's about self-expression, self-confidence, and even self-care. From the latest hair color trends to innovative skincare treatments, the beauty world is constantly evolving, and the salon industry is right there at the forefront. But what does this mean for entrepreneurs? Well, it means that there's a booming market out there just waiting to be tapped into. Salons aren't just a luxury anymore. For many, they're a necessity, a regular part of their routine. And with the right approach, the right skills, and the right mindset, they can be a goldmine of opportunity. Imagine owning a business that not only generates a healthy profit, but also brings joy and confidence to its customers. A business that stays relevant no matter the season, and that has the potential to grow and evolve with the trends. That's the beauty of the salon industry. It's vibrant, it's dynamic, and it's lucrative. Of course, getting started in the salon industry isn't as simple as setting up shop and opening your doors. It requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of your target market. But with the right guidance and a solid strategy, it's an industry that holds immense potential for success. With such promising numbers, one might wonder, how do I start a profitable salon business? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to delve into just that. First things first, you need to identify your target market. Now, why is this important? Well, understanding who your potential customers are is like having a roadmap to success. It's like knowing exactly who will walk through your salon doors even before they do. Consider demographics. Are you catering to the high-end, luxury-seeking clientele or the budget-conscious, value-seeking customers? Age, income, and even occupation can play a substantial role in shaping your services. Next, delve into customer interests. Do they prioritize trendy, cutting-edge hairstyles, or are they more inclined towards traditional, timeless cuts? Do they value organic, eco-friendly products, or are they more concerned about cost-effectiveness? Finally, it's crucial to understand your customers' spending habits. How often do they visit salons? How much are they willing to pay for your services? By answering these questions, you can offer a tailored experience that meets their specific needs. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, you can tailor your services to meet their specific needs. Next up, you need a solid business plan. Think of it as a blueprint for your salon business, a document that will guide your path and keep you focused on your strategic goals. Firstly, you need to define your business model. Are you looking at a high-end luxury salon, a budget-friendly neighborhood salon, or maybe a niche-focused salon specializing in certain types of services? Your business model will define what your salon stands for and what it aims to deliver to its customers. Secondly, let's talk about your marketing strategy. How do you plan to attract and retain your customers? Are you going to rely on traditional advertising methods, or are you going to leverage the power of social media and online reviews? Remember, in the salon industry, word of mouth and customer satisfaction are paramount. Next, we move on to financial projections. This is where you need to get down to the nitty-gritty and crunch some numbers. How much will it cost to get your salon up and running? What are your ongoing operational costs? How much revenue do you expect to generate? And when will you break even? These are critical questions that need answers. Lastly, your operational plan. This includes everything from where your salon will be located to how it will be run on a day-to-day basis. You need to consider your salon layout for optimal workflow, the equipment and products you'll need, and your hours of operation. Remember, a business plan is not a static document. It's a living, breathing guide that will evolve as your business grows and changes. You'll need to revisit it regularly and make adjustments as necessary. So pull up your sleeves, let's get down to business. Because creating a business plan might seem like a daunting task at first, but trust me, it's worth every bit of effort. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success in the salon industry. So, make sure you take the time to craft one that's robust, comprehensive, and tailored to your unique vision. Once your business plan is in place, it's time to secure financing. Now, there are various sources to consider when looking for funds to kickstart your salon business. Personal savings are a great starting point, but often they may not be enough. That's where bank loans come into play. Banks offer different types of loans designed to help entrepreneurs like yourself. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is your ticket to securing a bank loan. Then we have investors. These could be individuals or companies who see potential in your salon business and are willing to invest their money. They're not just buying into your business, they're buying into you. But regardless of the financing source, having a solid financial plan is critical. It not only convinces lenders or investors of the viability of your business, but also helps you navigate your financial journey with clarity and confidence. With the right financing, you are one step closer to opening your salon. Now, let's talk about the legal aspects of running a salon. One of the fundamental steps in setting up any business, including a salon, is to acquire the necessary licenses and permits. These legal documents are essential as they demonstrate your compliance with local and national laws, ensuring that your salon maintains a high standard of health and safety for both your employees and clients. Now you might be wondering, what licenses and permits do I need? Well, the requirements can vary depending on your location, but generally you'll need a salon license, a business license, and a retail seller's permit if you plan to sell products. You might also need to secure a building permit if you plan on making significant alterations to your salon's premises. Let's delve a little deeper into these licenses. A salon license, often referred to as a cosmetology or beauty salon license, is issued by the State Board of Cosmetology. This license allows you to legally operate a salon and offer various beauty services. Next, the business license. This is a general permit issued by the city or county where your salon is located. It's essentially the government's way of keeping track of enterprises for tax purposes. The retail seller's permit, on the other hand, is necessary if you plan on selling salon products to your clients directly. This permit allows you to collect sales tax on the items you sell, which you will later remit to the state. Lastly, the building permit. If you plan to renovate or make significant structural changes to your salon, you'll likely need a building permit from your local government. But remember, permits and licenses are not just about paperwork. They are also about adhering to health and safety regulations. Your salon must maintain a clean and safe environment. Regular inspections will be carried out to ensure you're up to par, so don't underestimate the importance of getting these licenses and permits. They are not just legal requirements, but also a testament to the quality and legitimacy of your business. Getting your licenses and permits in order is crucial to avoid any legal issues down the line. Last but not least, you need a talented team to bring your vision to life. The success of your salon hinges on the skills and passion of your team members. A hairstylist with a flair for creativity, a beautician with a keen eye for detail, a receptionist with a welcoming smile, each person plays a vital role in creating the perfect salon experience. Now, the qualifications required for each role can vary. For instance, hairstylists and beauticians typically need a cosmetology license. A receptionist, on the other hand, might not need specific qualifications but should have excellent customer service skills. When hiring, look beyond their resumes. Gauge their passion for the beauty industry, their dedication to customer service, and their ability to work as part of a team. After all, a salon is more than just a business. It's a community that thrives on teamwork and shared ambition. With the right team in place, you are ready to open your doors and start your journey in the profitable salon industry. So let's recap the steps to starting a profitable salon business. First and foremost, we've learned that identifying your target market is crucial. You need to understand who will be walking through your salon doors and what they're looking for in their salon experience. Next, we dove into the importance of a business plan. This blueprint will guide you through every phase of your journey, from initial startup to steady growth. Then, we discussed securing financing. Remember, your business plan will be instrumental in convincing lenders to invest in your vision. We also covered the necessity of acquiring the right licenses and permits. This not only keeps you on the right side of the law, but also builds trust with your clients. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of hiring the right team. Your staff will be the face of your salon, so choose wisely. With these steps in mind, you are well on your way to starting a successful salon business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and hard work. But with the right approach, you can tap into the lucrative salon industry and create a profitable business.